Welcome children. Now in this session we will learn how to add the decimal value. Now as we have discussed before also, you will remember one important point that if you are asked to write down the decimals in words or write down, they have asked to mention the place value of the decimal or the digits in a decimal value, or they have asked you to compare. Now till here compare, till here we have done. We knew that we have to mention the place value chart also. You will draw the place value chart and then you will get the answer. Looking at the chart, you will see its place value, or looking at the position, you will write down in words. Now, are we done? Only this much you have to do. Rest is same like your general addition, what you do. Let's take. This is 0.007, then 8.5 and 30.08. Now see here, after decimal, how many digits are there? Here you have 3 digits. In this you have only 1 digit, and here you have 2 digits. Okay, so I'll write down in code. After decimal, in this number you see there are 3 digits. Here it is only 1 digit and here it is 2 digit. So when you see after decimal, the number of digits are not same. We will bring it to like decimal. So check the digits. Highest digit after decimal, here you have 3. So write down 0.007. Then in round, write down 8.5. How many digits we have planned? That after decimal, see, in whichever number you have number of digits more, maximum number of digits. Here you have 3 digits. So that means after decimal, in all the numbers there should be 3 digits. So place 3 dashes. 1, 2, 3. Same thing with the next number. This is 30.08. How many digits we want? We want 3 digits. Mark 1, 2 and 3. So what will you do? 2 dashes are there. Add 2 zeros. Here only 1 dash is there. Add 1 zero. Sorry. 1, 0. Now write down these numbers. What is this? This is, see, when you have decimal children, you will write the number before this decimal. This one will start from this. If it was 48, you will not write like this. 48. Have you understood? Match the points. Here is a point, write down point. Then before decimal, if you have 2 numbers, here we have 1 number. Let us take example here. Let me take it as 48 only. So now what will you do? You will write down the first number before decimal. First. Then write down the next number. Here you check, then you have 0.5. But what we have done? We have converted into like decimal. So 0, 0. Same thing here, 30. And before decimal, place a decimal. Write down the numbers before decimal. Start from the last one. This is 0 and then 3. Then what do you have? Check the number. This will become 0, 8, 0. Now, here also children, when you are adding, you make a mistake. So, you do one thing. You check the number of decimals before and after both. Before we have done, sorry, after decimals, you know how to do. Now, before decimal, what you do? Remember children, again here two things you have to remember. When you see the number of digits after decimal, to convert it into like decimals. So after point, you place zeros in forward direction, in front. Okay, towards the right, to make it like decimal. Here it was 1, here it was 2 digit. So 1 0 towards the rightmost side. But before 0, you place it towards the leftmost side. See here. How many digits? 2, and before decimal 2. Here also you want to make it This was 3. So you will not make it like this. You will not make it 3, 0. This is wrong. Understood? When you have a decimal value, please pay attention to this. When you want to convert it into right decimal, after decimal, you check the number of digits. It should be same. But when we are adding, sometimes we get confused. Or when you want to convert it into like decimal. So after decimal, if you want to see the number of digits should be same, you will insert zeros towards the left hand side. And to make the number of digits same, before decimal, you will place 0 towards the left, and here you will put, after decimal you will put towards the right. 0 at the rightmost side and before decimal to the leftmost side. So what was this? This was 3. So leftmost side here. Now you add. So this will become 7. This is 8. This is 0.5. Now see 8 plus 3 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. What is the answer? 81.57. This is the answer. Now check this question. Here it is simply 15. Check number of digits. Here you have 0 digit after decimal. Here see after decimal you have 3 digits, and here after decimal you have 1 digit. What do you see? They are not in like decimal form. We need to convert it. So what will you do? Right now in 15 and see the digit where you have maximum number of digits after decimal. Here it is 3. So that means for all other numbers we will write down till 3 digits. We will have decimal till 3 digits. So this will write down the number 15. How many digits we have decided? 3. Place 3 dashes. Then 0. This one is 0.638. This is already 3 digits. Now this one 13.8. So place 2 more dashes. 1, 2, 3. So place zeros here and place 0 here. Here also. See, before decimal 2 digit. Before decimal there should be 2 digit. Before decimal 2 digit. So what will you do? Before decimal place 1 0 towards the leftmost side. This will be in rough. Then after that you can write down the numbers again. 15.000, then 00.638 and 13.800. This is 8, this is 3, this will be 14, carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9 and 2. So what is the answer? 29.438. So this is how we add. Not only addition, children, for subtraction also. Let me give you a small explanation of subtracting the decimal value. Now in subtraction, you may get a question directly also, or it can be in statement form. See how. If it is asked subtract, suppose 19.037 from 21.3. In this case, how will you know with which number we have to subtract? First thing is to learn that by which number should we subtract the other number. For this, I will give you a trick. You just with pencil, wherever you have drawn that M's magical tail, you always take this M as you extend it and take it as a magical tail, and you draw it in forward direction like this. Now where it is pointing? It is pointing to this number. So wherever this M is pointing, that will become your first number minus the second number. That means 21.3 minus 19.037. This is just a short. So this is just a small, example, a trick to remember. So what is happening? Take example. If I explain you 10 from 25. So what I am saying, I am telling you to subtract 10 from 25. What does this mean? That is on 25. How much I have? 25. So from 25 you subtract 10. So when we say this, how do we write? We write 25 minus 10. Understood? From 25 you have to subtract 10 from 25. So you will take 25 as the first number by which you subtract. So simply in exam, if you get confused, remember always this trick what I gave it to my students, the magical tail. Wherever you have this word from, now you must have understood that wherever you have this word from, that number will come first and then you will subtract it with the number which is before from. Now let's see how we solve this question. Now here it is 19.037 from 21.3. First thing is, let us write down what we have to do. See, the magical tail is pointing 21.3. Write down 21.3 and you will subtract this with 19.037. This is the first thing. Write down what you have to do. The second thing is check. Are they in like decimal form? Here you have 1 digit and here you have 3 digits. So they are not in like decimal form. So in here you have maximum how many digits? 3 and here 1. So we will consider 3. So 21.037 we will take. So we want to convert for other numbers also that after decimal they should have 3 digits. So whichever is not having, write that number. We want 3 digits, write down 3 dashes. Now place 0. Clear? Now rewrite 21.3 can be written as 21.300 minus 19.037 and do the subtraction. It's 2. This will become 3, 6, 2, point here, take it as 2. So what is the answer? Answer is 2.263. Clear? So this is how we do the addition and subtraction of decimal values. The method is same. First, write down the place value chart for comparisons because you have to compare. But for addition and subtraction, what we are doing? We are simply checking and converting it into like decimals if they are not. Now from tomorrow we will have revision